Alright, since we've been stuck at home the last few days, I thought I might try some kitchen science here. And we were looking at combustion reactions where we have a fuel that combines with oxygen. And I thought I would try some corn flour that I found in my kitchen as a fuel. See how it works. I'm going to get a little pile of it and put it here. There we go. And then I will light the fuel and we'll see how it burns. Well, let's see here. So you might be able to see that it turned a little bit black on the top there. So looks like it does burn, but not very well. Maybe the problem is I just don't have a hot enough flame. So let's try kicking it up a notch. Well, let's see here. The tin foil seems to have gotten fairly crispy, but we can see that it's a little bit black there, and not much happened. I'd like to take a little trip outside and see what, if we change the conditions just a little bit, can we make a different result happen? So let's try that out. Okay, so we saw a moment ago that corn flour does indeed burn, but not very well. I'm going to try something a little different this time, and we'll see if we can see any differences in the way that it burns. So, I've got the same corn flour here. This time I'm going to stick it into a tube, and I'm going to lean over and see what happens. So, what was the difference? So, do you have an idea? Why do you think that the results when I blew it through the tube were different from when it was on the plate? I had the same corn flour, I used the same thing to light it with, but why was there a big difference? Okay. I'd like you to take a guess, and you can write down your guess on your assignment, and after that you can continue with this video. So take a minute to pause now for your guess, and then we'll continue in a moment. Okay, now that you've got your guess written down, at this point I'm going to ask you to read the sections and answer the questions, and at the end we'll see, once you've looked through this material, do you have any change in your answer for what you think happened here? And you can tell me what your idea is in the end. So go ahead and read through the material and work through these answers, and we'll see what you come up with.